In today's video, I am just going to show you a quick information and very important. Without wasting time, let's get started. But first, I just wanna appreciate all my subscribers, viewers, and those that are following my videos. I wanna especially thank you and tell you that I appreciate all your work. Thank you very much, and let's head over to the good news for all those that are unable to acquire a passport, a traveling passport. Nowadays, before you apply, you need to have a valid passport that you will use to apply for your DV, your online DV application. But let's say the latest news at hand is that the government of the United States has been put in court, and they have removed the process of using a passport to apply for the DV. So let's head over to the official website where they posted this news. So let's read and see it for yourself. Link will be on the description below, on my description below of this video, so you can use that link to read yourself. Thank you very much. If you have been subscribed, just hit the subscribe button below and click the notification bell to get updated of any of my video you releasing. Thank you. So let's make sure you should have a valid internet connection here. Then next thing, you need to launch your browser. So as you can see here, this is my browser. Let me zoom it a bit. Yeah, this is nice. Okay, let's go there. As you can see here, they say EB EBV US Department of State, United States District Council, District of Columbia. This is from February 4th, 2020. As you can see the date here, it is from February 4th, 2022. Civil Action 2856 bracket TJK DDC February 4th, 2022. This is the Civil Action 192856 TJK. This is on the 4th of February 2022. This is the date they released this update. Yeah, you can go ahead and read this. Link will be on my description below, that you will use that link to read it yourself. The next step here, you need to let's start from the beginning here. Memorandum options. This is Timothy J. Kelly, United States District Judge. The case is about an interim final rule issued by the State Department that changed the requirements for individuals applying to the diversity visa program, otherwise known as the visa lottery. Under the rules, individuals must possess a valid passport before they can participate in the lottery. This is plaintiffs, two foreign nationals and their US based relatives, do not challenge the substance of the rules. Rather, they take issue with the way it was adopted, because it was not subject to the Administrative Procedure Act notice and comment procedures. Defendants have moved to This is this margin that plaintiffs fails to state a claim for which the court can grant them relief because the rules was properly entered and plaintiffs have moved for summary judgment, arguing to the contrary. For the reason explained below, the court found that the rule was unlawfully promulgated without notice and comment. Procedures thus it will then definite motions to dismiss, grant plaintiffs motion for summary judgment and vacate the rules. This is one, and this is let us just say these are the rules that these are the these are the things you need to have. I mean the rules that will be implied, the rule that, let me just find the heading for you. As you can see one in the background, this is something that when you will be applying after they have removing the law of you um after they have removing the law of you using a passport to apply for your DV. You need to be on this qualification for you to be for you to be sure you are not among these errors so that you can apply without a passport. Now one, this is background. A diversity visa program. The Immigration and Nationality Act of 1990 (INA) established the diversity visa program. This is all. The law allowed the state department to issue 55,000 diversity. Mind you, I will be releasing a video showing you about telling you about your case number. This is the amount of people. This is the amount of visa the United States are issuing people um every immigrant to the United States, every person that is immigrating to the United States through the permanent residents, that the DV. So this is the amount of people, 55,000 diversity visa annually to individuals from countries and regions that have historically sent few immigrants to the country. The purpose is to divers- uh, diversify the immigrant population in the United States. This is visa diversity immigrant. This is how called. According to the State Department, the program serves as a clear tool of diplomacy and outreach to countries around the world. 5,000 of these visas are allocated under the Naragunan Adjustment and Central America Relief Acts. These are all they are called. Potentially, immigration are selected for the program strictly in a random order established by the Secretary of State. Let me just explain this. What they mean by this. What they mean is that all the people, all applicants, all those that apply for the DV since 2019, because they implement this pattern of using a passport through your application, all the people that apply for the DV lottery, this the selection is not based on this is my brother, this is my sister. No, the selection is based on a random selection. They have a system which they call random selection, which they it is not based on identification, it's not based on somebody you know. This is a random selection. Even if a madman is among the random selection, that is which is it is because his or her that pencil is selected through the random selection. So that is what they are trying to say here. Potentially immigrants are selected for the program strictly in a random order established by the Secretary of State. This is established by the Secretary of State, the random selection. Okay. The process begins with a diversity visa lottery. Interested foreign nationals must apply during a set registration window at least 30 days longer. 30 days long. This is straightforward here. You can the application period is within 30 days long here. This is it, it's within 30 days long. Usually beginning sometimes in early October and ending in early November. Yes, after the registration periods end, the State Department then sort the interns into different world region. Oh, this is great. So now I know into different world region and select to a randomized computer drawing a certain number of these reg- registrants who may then apply for a diversity visa or if present in the United States apply for a adjustment of status. Yeah. And this is B, the passport rules. This is what I wanted to explain to you guys. But here we are. This is the passport rules. The Secretary of State may issue regulation governing the information that lottery registrant must provide to the State Department. The State Department promulgated the passport rules, which required that individuals who seek to participate in the lottery possesses a valid passport when they registered. Oh, this is great. Before enactment of the rules, a lottery participant had to obtain a passport only if she was selected. If she won the lottery and then sought to apply for a diversity visa. Now the passport rules required a participant to obtain a passport at an earlier point in the process before the participant knows whether she can apply for a diversity visa. According to the State Department, the rules will help prevent fraud. Yes, let me just this one. According to the State Department, the rules will help prevent fraud. These rules is was implemented based on they are just trying to prevent fraud, as they have just stated it below. They are just trying to prevent fraud because um, those back days when they were not using passports to apply for the DV, they are experiencing fraud here. So that's why they implemented the act of using passports during the diversity visa application. Um, yes, let's continue. The State Department promulgated the passport rules as an interim final rules, and so it is became effective upon publication. So, when you guys rules will be the these rules will be so far scheduled because this case is on the process now, and it's just with God, but with time they will probably remove the act of using passport during the application. So the instant case, um, this is the let me just say the instant case. They are talking about the case number that all people that won the DV will be given a case number. So this is plaintiffs and four individual plaintiffs. EB and KK lives in Africa. C ECF. Okay. They both applied to the diversity visa program multiple times before defendant promulgated the passport rules, but neither can commit to the cost of obtaining a passport only to enter a lottery. Their siblings plaintiffs WB and AK lives in the United States and hope that their diversity visa program will enable them to immigrate here. See EGF. Okay. Plaintiffs sued the State Department and Michael Pompeo in his official capacity as Secretary of State, alleging that the promulgation of the passport rules without notice and comment rulemaking was unlawful under the APA. See EGF number. Plaintiffs also moved for a preliminary injunction (ECF number), which this court denied. Oh my God. Plaintiffs then filed an amended complaint raising the same argument and explaining that the passport rules continue to prevent from participants in future diversity lotteries because neither can afford a passport just for applying to a diversity lottery. Defendants moved to dismiss under okay, department provided plaintiffs with legally sufficient notice and opportunities to respond in any event that the Foreign Affairs Functions exception to the APA notice and comment requirement apply. So this is it. The link will be in my description below where you will go and click the link so you will read this yourself. Take your time to read everything and understand. But this is the letter, official letter from the Department of State that they were issued to court based on the rules of using passport during the diversity visa application. So they were issued to court and let me say they lose. The people that issued them to court won. So they officially released this letter which they publish so people will read it themselves. And to what I understand, this letter is on a 1 month, which is 30 days um, posted, so people can comment based on their recommendation. So the link will be in my description where you will go and click the link so you will read it yourself. Thank you very much and see you when you see me into another video.